I'm Anastasia Chatzka, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to the Sew Anastasia 2020 DIY Holiday Gift Guide. So the really unique thing about my DIY gift guide is that I actually have video tutorials, patterns, and step-by-step guides for all of these projects I'm about to mention and show you. Links for all of those are going to be down below in the description. They're also going to be in a special holiday playlist, so that way you know right where they all are. Personally, I love getting DIY gifts. I don't get them often. I feel like I'm always the one making the gifts, but I love getting them. It's so awesome knowing that someone has been thinking about you and has put a personal touch on the gift that they're giving you. So definitely think about making some of these DIY gift ideas for the people on your holiday list. If you're not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. Also, I'm teaching virtual sewing lessons right now, so you can choose your project, book your time with me, and I will help you from my design studio to your sewing room to complete your project. The link for signing up is going to be down below through the website, sewanastasia.com. And if you're in Chicago, you can come into my design studio and take a one-on-one lesson or a socially distant group sewing class as well. And the links for all of that are going to be down below. So are you guys ready? Let the gift-giving guide begin. I'm gonna go through these in no particular order, but the first one on my list is mittens. Mittens are a great gift to give because everybody can wear them, and they keep your hands warm all winter long. And I have 2 videos on this, so you can create mittens 2 different ways. And there's a PDF pattern for the mittens on my website that you can download. Number 2 on the list is something that goes great with mittens, an infinity scarf. So simple and easy to make, and it keeps your neck nice and cozy. Number 3 is a beanie. Now that your hands are warm and your neck is warm, it's time to keep your head warm. And I have 2 different videos on how to do that. And I have a downloadable PDF pattern for this beanie as well. If you wanted, you could give a whole matching set. The beanie, the scarf, and the mittens. What a great gift idea. Number 4 is a pot holder. This is great because you can personalize it to someone's kitchen. Just find out what colors and decor they have, and you can make something that goes along with their kitchen decor. And number 5 is an oven mitt. And what goes perfect with a pot holder and oven mitt? You can personalize a matching set for somebody's kitchen. And every time they cook, they're going to think of you. Number 6 is an apron. Imagine giving an apron, a pot holder, and an oven mitt. That would be a great gift trio. The apron pattern I have is unisex as well, so you can make it for everyone. And I also have a pattern for this one on my website. Number 7 on the list is going to be cloth napkins. What better way to complete the kitchen with cloth napkins? Cloth napkins are sustainable, which makes a great gift that someone can use all year long. And they're super easy to make. So this makes a great, easy, quick gift to give. Number 8 is going to be a cozy blanket. I made mine out of fake fur. Who doesn't love a new cozy warm blanket to snuggle with? I know I do. Number 9 is going to be a zipper pouch. Who doesn't love a cute new little pouch to put things in? I know I have a bunch of them laying around. They are so useful. Number 10 is a bralette. I know I love wearing bralettes, and I'm sure a lot of people on your list do as well. This one comes with a downloadable pattern and a full sew-along tutorial, so make sure you check it out. Number 11's high-waisted panties also goes great with a bralette. You could totally do a matching set. I also have a pattern on the website for the panties as well. Number 12 is a wallet, and I'm sure somebody on your list needs a new wallet. I'm looking at all the dudes on your list. I know their wallet's probably looking a little ratty and could use a beautiful new DIY wallet. And there's a downloadable pattern for this one as well. Number 13 on the list is a holiday Christmas sweater. Who doesn't want a little bit more holiday cheer in their wardrobe? I know I do. 14 is a beer koozie, and there's also a pattern for this on the website. I mean, I know when I'm sitting in the hot tub and my hand's getting cold drinking a beer, I'm like, I want a beer koozie. So make everyone on your list some beer koozies. Number 15 is a scrunchie. I know I love wearing scrunchies, and they make a great gift for everybody who has long hair. Number 16 on the list is going to be a pocket square. These are great because you can use some of your scrap fabrics you have laying around to make people a little extra flair for their pocket. If you'd like to know a little bit more about pocket squares, I also have a video on the history of the pocket square. Number 17 is a bow tie. You know it goes perfect with a pocket square, a bow tie. You could make a matching set, or you could make a contrasting set as well. There's going to be a pattern for this one on my website as well. Number 18 is a tote bag. I love this gift because everybody uses a tote bag. A tote bag's great because you can carry your laptop in it, you can carry books in it, you can carry your things to the gym in it, you can literally carry everything in it. I know when I leave the house in the morning, sometimes I'm like, where's the tote bag at? Because I need to throw some extra stuff in it to carry it to the studio. Number 19 is going to be a makeup brush carrier. I know you have a friend that has makeup brushes all over her makeup bag. This is going to be a perfect gift for her. Number 20 is a toiletry bag, and this is great for everybody on your list. I know we might not be traveling a lot this year, but it's great to keep everything organized and in one spot. 21 is a skinny tie, and this is sure to keep all the men on your list fashionable. You could even make a matching pocket square for it as well. 22 is going to be a Christmas stocking, and this is great to put all of your handmade gifts in that you're giving. Stockings are a great gift to give because you can personalize them for the person that you're giving all the gifts to. Who doesn't love getting a stocking full of gifts and handmade gifts? So cool. Thanks so much for watching the Sew Anastasia DIY Holiday Gift Guide 2020. The links for all of these videos are going to be down below in the description. And don't forget, all the digital download patterns are at sewanastasia.com under digital downloads. Thanks for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, or give us a little bit of applause. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you love Instagram like I do, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Sew Anastasia and Anastasia Chatzka. And I would love to see all of your handmade DIY holiday gifts. So make sure you tag me in them when you make them or send me over photos so that way I can post them on Instagram and Facebook and share the creativity with everybody. And don't forget, if you need help sewing your gifts, you can schedule a virtual sewing lesson with me, or you can come into the studio in Chicago and take a lesson with me as well. If you love this video, make sure you share it with your friends. We're growing Sew Anastasia and we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. So all the love, support, and shares that you can give mean so much to me. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!